Iseso ya Kuthuima wailu wa Maminista Oloote nzama nzau ya Maminista niyaendeeya kwa muthenya wa keli umunthi vala atano mavika mbee wa nzama ya Mbunge ya uthuimi kwitetea. Kati wa atano ni Minista Oloote muveani wa uimi Andrew Karanja omuna Aden Duale ula unyuvitwe aungamie muvea wa mitito vala uthukumi wa mivea yo nzamani mbitu ya Maminista weki wa kithimini. Benjamin Mwaka na livoti.
Andrew Karanja vikite mbee wa nzama kutetea unyuvi wake ta Minista Oloote muveano wa uimi niwendeka kuthesia nthi hundu muveau ne kitina kinene nthino wa kwatu wa nthi ukwaila vamwe na kianda cha serikali cia county savali ni ino.
I'm a firm believer in devolution. As I said earlier, if you want sustainable development of agriculture, the counties have to take their role seriously and they have to work. They have to work. There is no other way.
And when you talk about functions being devolved, resources should then follow those functions so that then the county governments are able to work and not the money remaining here in the capital in Nairobi.
No lasmika kuelezea mivango milumu hilo kutumia kusia aimi na enenthi mayume ya moko ni maanganganya takilingisi cha oyumituki kila kina kusi wendhino unai chuambolea hitena lato ile na atiye aimi na makulyo maingi.
What is your net worth?
My net worth is 214 million shillings.
That you are worth 214 million. You are going into this sector. All those cartels are there and they are willing to make you a billionaire with the next 3 years. Are you going to be able to resist, Bwana nominee?
Will they make you a billionaire or you are a billionaire already?
Whether I can resist, whether they will be able to make me a billionaire, one of my clear areas which I am saying is non-negotiable is that is issues to do with accountability and being able to stand for what is public good.
I, Aden Duale, do swear that the evidence...
Ni vindani ya Kuthuima Aden Duale, Minista Oloote muveano wa mitito na maithiuluko. Vala kavilo hiulu uthukumu wake muveano wa mugu wa nthi na ita kasi oka kumuvalukila. Bene kukonyeta mbia mavisa maita kuwetu ya ndoni kutuma nyamugo kumana na muti ya maandamano mamuika wa Gen Z.
Now, unlike police that use tear gas, canisters, batons, rubber bullets, water cannons, the military is known for live bullets, grenades, assault rifles, tankers and bombs. Now, what was the intention behind sending the military to the streets?
For peace, public order, public safety, where the police are overwhelmed, Article 241 3B kicks in. That day, the Office of the Chief Justice and the Supreme Court, as an institution, was under threat, under attack. Parliament and the colleagues sitting here, if KDF did not come to assist the other security agents, God forbid, many members of Parliament could have died, including our Speaker. Parliament could have been burnt. I will not be that irresponsible as a Minister of Defense. I use the law.
Duale niwende kathesie hiulu wa kivindu kingi kila kivirwe kithumila Iseso ya wasandu wa makulu tumaita evindani yake ilona Minister muveani uno.
One of my constituents was told that his testicles are not equal. That is why he's being dismissed or returned from the training camp. So I wanted to seek clarification from the CS to tell me what are the guidelines for one to be recruited.
Next year, if such a person comes, he will not be recruited into the Kenya Defence Force. Mr. Speaker, Kenya Defence Force's recruitment is different from the recruitment of the police. There are many. The testicle that I want to go to is one of them. There are many, and the chairman of defense will agree.
I think the whole code needs to be revised so that we do not have human rights abuses.
Ingi nuwende kathesie sito yake ulua withia wangamila miundani ya enenthi chavina kwa kaunti ya Kitui. Ivindani ya munao valokwisilio kwithu watoe mwenu wangamila ino.
Can Honorable Duale deny or acknowledge he has more than 100 camels in that area, and that is also causing insecurity?
The problem of insecurity and camels in Kitui is not something that started today. It is their cherry pick. every time they speak, they do that. So I can only speak for my comments. They're in Garissa.
Talk about your...
Now, this is not a leader. This is just a person who sent me the message. I can even share with him. So I would like a clarification. When he says leaders from Machakos and Kitui are basically picking on him, it's important because I'm a leader from Machakos and I'm just reading a question.
And starting with the leader of Wiper, all the way to all the leaders from that region, one after the other, and I can provide the clip. They have mentioned me that I am the cause of the conflict.
Angela mavika mbee wa nzama ni Eric Muga Murithi ulonyuvetwe kulika muviano wa kegu Davis Chilchil wa muvia wa Malelu na Mwadu Margaret Nyambura Ndungu wa muvia wa Mekumukanelie.
Honorable members,
Vilingo wa mauvo kumava kauntine ilovi nye nita wa Benjamin Mwakam.